Hey, what's up guys? Billy with SidebySide Stuff. I'm here with Jeff from TrakMotive. Jeff is going to tell us about one of the axles available at SidebySide Stuff.
Hey guys, Jeff at TrakMotive here to talk to you about our heavy duty axle line. As you can see, it's all made out of a 4340 chromoly construction, including the center shaft, housings, and the racing cage. Make sure it's going to withstand everything you can throw at it. We also upgrade you to a TPE boot that's thermoplastic elastomer, much stronger than your stock neoprene rubber boot, more tear and puncture resistant. We also polish the internal housings there, make sure we keep the friction down, and we upgrade the grease inside the joints, make sure it's operating at the right temperature for whatever you can throw at it. Thanks for checking out the TrakMotive heavy duty axles.
All right, thanks Jeff. There you guys have it. You can find TrakMotive products at SidebySideStuff.com.